All right, let's continue. Another Chicago Birds. Chicago Birds 6446. 6446. Samionan Chicago Bird 6446. This one from another batch from I believe last week or 2 weeks ago. Okay. Another Chicago 6473. I believe it's another Samionan. Where is it? Okay. 6473. Samionan 6473. This is a first batch. MRF 429. MRF 429. CND Syndicate. MRF 429. CND Syndicate. Alright, let's continue. Okay. Kay paring J. Areño 88885. J. Areño 88885. Jeds 24113. Jeds 24113. Joven Manchete. Your backup still here yet. Backup birds. 24113. Foyce 17683. Foyce 17683. Hayes and Bros. Hayes, Bros, Loft. I believe both of your birds still here. 17683. Okay, AA 21003. AA 21003. Mr. Sardan Mandigma. Parehas ang ibo mo, andito pa. 21003. ARPU 26006. ARPU 26006. Mr. Invis Yang 24006. Sergeant Major 9 is a local club member. Sergeant Major 9. PNW 6445. PNW. Timothy Hawkins. Mr. Timothy Hawkins, both of your birds still here yet? 6445. Okay, both your birds are still here. BPC 438. BPC 438. This Mr. Ronald Guzman is one of the last of his bird, but he mentioned that he will send excuse me, send a replacement. BPC 438, Mr. Roman Guzman. Green Bay GBW 1112, local guys in Wisconsin, from Green Bay Club. Jim Canine, Mr. Jim Canine. GBW 112. Rice and Love 4488. Rice and Love. Rice and Love 4488. Huh. Savio. Okay. Rice and Love 4488. Nino Tumamao. Okay. IF 4488. Rice and Love. Another Rice and Love 4406. IF 4406. Rice and Love. So both of your birds here. Both of your birds still here. 4406. Okay, Mr. J Areno Pre 88828. J Areno. Eight 828. J Areno 8828. Last four number. ARPU 101317. ARPU. Okay, 101317. Scott Bennis. ARPU 10137. Another J Areno 88829. J Areno 88829. Both of you, I believe all of your birds still here. 8829. The last one is Ray Miro 42. Miro 42. Both of your birds still is here. Ray Miro. Ray Miro 42. So yeah, guys, I will notify some of the breeder that their bird's not here. I will notify, and as soon as I can, I will send a message or call to replace their birds. Right now, we have a total of in the loft, I believe it's like 54, 55, but I'm not sure about that number. But I will do another inventory probably sometimes end of this week again, one more time to double check. But I will notify all those breeder that their bird's not here, so they can send some replacement. All right, guys. See you next inventory again. All right. Okay, bye.